Iwe, goofs, Muka Shamwell. Muga. I need to have a talk with you. You know what, Constantino? Ndakumutsa because there's been something bothering me. You see, issue yelendi yakweka. Don't you think it's high time we change your some ideas into my name? This is a serious issue. Something might just happen to you. Not that I'm wishing you dead. Ish, I love you so much, my husband. And I don't even wish you dead. I can't be a widow at my age, just look at me. But it's something that we all can't avoid. We can't avoid death. But in case you are father, you could have sorrows telling me potato beans.
You know what? This land is the only thing Shanaga Kwanza think which you see. And
you know what, Ka? You wakato ganira. Because you are not even in the first place, Ka, let me be clear with you. One, you are not supposed to use that money to buy land. You should have invested money, you know. Like Manuel reject upon us. You invest the money. That's what like I did. I married you, ish, and it costed me. I married you, that's the bottom line. What is Otora Marie? You buy the stand and you put it in my name. That's what normal men do. Change those deeds into my name. Then you are good. No. And you know, it's very funny. You want to enjoy the privileges of being married by me. Mary. Constantine. Have a heart. No, Con. Don't even go there. You will never enjoy the privileges of being married by me. Kushika wa chinja matento deeds. And actually, in fact, I'm giving you an ultimatum. 25 December must come. What chinja those title deeds into my name? You and I is going to be drama and fireworks, I'm telling you.